Kevin, I'm standing right off Avenue M on East 13 by a hidden gem called Lasova. This is a hidden gem. What people already for months are telling me, Khan, you must come out here in Flatbush. People from Borough Park, Williamsburg come all the way out here. I don't believe it. Yiddish. Die kippst auch du?
Sova is the best.
Lasova is the best. Wow. Give a kick over. Jonathan.
Hello.
Shalom. Lasova.
We have the best food in Brooklyn, Grad. There's nothing like it. Come here to eat.
How do you boys know I'm being here now?
Best food.
Hands down, yeah?
Hands down, best food.
Best fries in the world.
I feel like I'm by a shook over here. Anyway, Jonathan, here, give a clip over the mic. Give a clip the mic onto your Sova jacket.
Okay, thank
And
you.
explain me why. I literally heard it from lots and lots of friends. They come all over, Borough Park, Williamsburg, all the way out here to this little cute gem, what they call it. They call it a gem, a hidden gem. Nobody knows about it, but after this video, everybody's gonna know about it.
Mitzvah Hashem.
So Jonathan, let's hear a little about this place.
Okay, so we have a weekday menu. We're open Sunday through Friday. We have a little bit of everything on the menu. You can order 20 different people and everyone can find something they like. We have Mexican, we have Chinese, we have burritos, wraps, burgers, sandwiches, rice bowls, tacos. Cholent on Thursday nights and Fridays. We have 2 different types of cholent: Hamish Kishka, overnight kugel. You name it, we got it. We also do maza, which is like hors d'oeuvres, empanadas and lahmacun. We make everything in house. Everything is made handmade. The fries we make in house. All of our sauces are in house. The pickles that we put in our sandwiches are made here at Lasova.
Really, you ferment it here?
We ferment it here. We make spicy jalapenos. We make sweet and spicy pickles. We also make all different types of dips and salads for Shabbos, hummus, tchina, and everything's made in house.
Wow.
Okay, and besides for our regular menu and our maza and dips menu, we also do platters and packages. We have a full catering menu for any type of simcha or any type of office party or a shiva call, whatever it is. We do it all, 9x13s, platters, full trays. We do it all.
Can I just ask you a personal question?
Sure.
I see this. It's ganz a small place over here. About what do you say? It's about 30 square feet here, maybe.
It's
20,
like that, yeah.
20 square feet.
It's a little small.
It's pretty small over here. About 6 people go in here and it's packed.
Yeah, a little more, but 10, 12 people.
What was the cheshbon?
So originally we were going to be fully takeout. We actually had 3 takeout fridges where the tables and chairs are now, and we used to make Shabbos food and salads and dips and you name it. We made everything in house. And when we just opened, people didn't know who we are. We're on a side street, so like the people who were coming in were blown away. They would buy the food, but we were getting, wasting too much food every week. And people, the ones who were coming in, kept asking, we need seating. Why is there no seating? Like, I want to bring people here. I want to share the food, whatever.
They say they demanded seating.
They demanded seating. So we got rid of all of the takeout fridges and we put the tables. And ever since then, it's been just,
Whenever
packed.
you come in, it's packed.
You come in here, it's packed. And the people, we're 5-star rated on Google. We have almost 850 reviews. We're
850 reviews.
850 reviews. We're only open for a year and a half. Baruch Hashem.
Wow.
So we have the highest lashgacha also. We have Tarnapol, we have Kehila. Everything is Kamach Yashan. Everything's Pas Yisrael. Everything's Bet Yosef for the Sfardim if they want to come through. And just other than that, we're just here to make you happy. We want you to have some good food, some delicious food, some things that you've never tried before that are unique. Once you come, you won't stop coming.
I can say that because I have a good friend over here, Yiddi, he's here every day, no? Once you come, you can't.
We have this guy. This guy's been here with us from the beginning since we opened, and he's here every single week. Al Yarag Al Yavor on Thursday to have the Ras.
Clockwork. How do you enjoy it?
I'm here on a weekly basis. It's great food, good vibes. This is my 2nd time coming today.
Oh man!
Can't complain.
Yeah. Second time coming today was so nice. And if somebody who lives in Borough Park who can't make it out here, you guys have.
So not only are we all on all of the delivery apps, Uber, Grubhub, DoorDash, but we also have online delivery, or you can call in, and that anything over $40 is free delivery.
Nice.
Yes, and if it's under $40, it's also $3 flat rate, and there's no fees or anything like that.
Wow, that's much cheaper than Uber Eats.
Much cheaper. Yes, much cheaper.
Wow. Okay.
We also, so I forgot to tell you, we actually have a lunch menu. We just expanded. Everything's $15. You get either fries and a drink or a drink with your lunch special. There's 8 items on the lunch special from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's a sick deal. No one has things things like this for $15, and they're full portions. They're not smaller portions because they're lunch. It's the same portion you get for dinner.
Gee, you don't care.
Yeah.
You should have from Chassidim somehow, no?
I grew up in Borough. I was born and raised in Borough Park. I love Chassidim. I worked in takeouts from when I was a little kid, and then I opened this place up, and it has a Chassidish neshama for sure.
I see that. All right, listen.
So this is our regular cholent, and we also have something called rice cholent. People are very big fans of both. Sometimes we have a person who's ate regular cholent their whole life, and then we switch them to a rice cholent for the rest of their life. They come here and they only get rice cholent. They love it. So it's a different taste. It's something you never had before. Something really delicious. Please dig in, try it out, and I'll bring you some of our in-house sweet and spicy pickles to go along with the cholent. I'll be right back.
Yiddi, you ready? Let's go.
And here's some of our sweet and spicy pickles. This is pickled daikon and carrots that we actually put in our banh mi sandwich, but it's so good I wanted you guys to try it.
Wow.
Okay, you tell me what you think.
So the food here is legit Yiddi.
Wow.
Yiddi, what looks the Yiddi? Jonathan, I think the Chassidim are going to come here just to taste this rice cholent. It's out of the world. Woof.
Thank you.
Something about it. I know the Israelis, the Shalim eat.
So this is really, it originates, it's a cholent that Bukharians eat every Shabbos. And I grew up on it. I never ate it, believe it or not. I'm not a cholent person. But I know every other person in the world loves it. So I got the recipe from my mother and from my wife, and I perfected it, and I decided to implement it, and people really fell in love.
People like it.
Yes.
Kevin, you're going to love it. The rice cholent over here with the in-house homemade pickles. Woof! Akhla!
He just had it.
Nobody.
All right, here we have our sesame chicken, which is one of our most popular items on the menu. Even though we have a vast menu, this happens to be a very, very famous dish of ours. I'm also going to bring you some tacos, and you're going to have some appetizers as well.
Jonathan, I don't know why. I feel like I'm sitting in Meishor, in Geula. I don't know.
You know why? Because over here, I'll tell you why. Over here, when we give first of all with a full heart and with a smile always. Our customer service is number one. You know, you can read it online if you want. Ask anyone who comes here. They always get treated like royalty. And we want you, honestly, to come out of here full and satisfied. Lasova.
Yiddi. Ich bin schon viel Yiddi. Was ist mit dich? Guys, wow.
Here's some of our appetizers that we have. We have poppers. We have fingers, we have wings, we have homemade fries. I'm going to bring you sauces on the side so you can try a little of all of our sauces that are made here in-house.
Everything's in-house?
Everything's in-house. We have a bunch of dipping sauces. We have 2 different types of popper sauces. Actually, really, 5 different types of popper sauces. We now are soon going to have sesame chicken poppers.
Wow.
So the poppers with sesame chicken sauce, it's a new concept. I don't think anyone really makes it, and I think you guys are going to love it. So give me a second.
Look at this. Jalapeno.
Yes. Perfect.
Garlic mayo. You made it?
Yes, Usher, give them one of each.
Barbecue sauce, garlic mayo, sweet chili.
Okay, and how can we forget?
Wow.
How can we forget some potato kugel and homemade kishka?
Wow.
Good old potato kugel and kishka.
Yeah.
You don't forget about that.
Yes, sir.
Have an unbelievable Yiddi. Just a cholent.
You have some wing sauce. You have classic popper sauce. You have honey sriracha popper sauce. Try them all. You tell me what you think.
Kevin, this is your number one stop Leil Shishi or Leil Revi or Leil Shlishi.
Any night. You come here any night and you're having a great time and you're going to come out full and you're going to be happy too.
Chazak. Wow.
And let's not forget some of our most popular tacos from our Mexican menu. They are all delicious. This is the shredded beef taco. This is our chicken tacos, and this is our seasoned ground beef tacos.
Jonathan, I'm telling you, this is just beyond. Look at this. Look what's going on. I'm telling you, the sesame chicken over here.
And this is not even. I think this is 10% of our menu.
This is 10%. There's not enough room on the table over here.
We have a lot of other stuff on the menu.
By the way, your homemade dips over here, your homemade sauces are out of the world.
Thank you. I appreciate it. We put a lot of our saying here is savor the flavor, number one, but it's also love is the main ingredient. Mamas, I'm telling you, you can't cook like this without putting love in it.
You know, I think you should keep your store like this cozy small because there's something to it. There's something to it. It's cozy. It's you know,
there's a charm.
Charm. Yiddi wuzuk's the Yiddi. Red. No talk.
Wow.
Unbelievable. Then I tasted a couple of the sesame chickens here. Woof. Really out of the world.
Thank you.
Really out of the world. No, Tzadik, what do you say? 8 million. Jonathan, what should I tell you? I've been around the corner. This is my business. I've been out there. This is a hidden gem in Flatbush. Chevre, it's worth to come from Muncie and Lakewood. Mark my words. What is the Perlowitz promotion today?
So the promotion is you mention Chaim Perlowitz's status, you get a free Belgian fries on the house.
Nice.
We make our Belgian fries here in-house. It's a $7 value and it's probably one of the best fries you can ever have.
Nice. In-house fries, Chevre. Come out here. The address is?
The address is 1301 East 13th Street, between Avenue M and Elm Avenue, right off of M. Our phone number is 718-676-9005. You can place orders for the delivery on over the phone. Also, you can go on our website, www.la-sova.com, lasova.com, and you can also place orders over there for delivery, and you get your food fast and delicious.
Chevre, Lasova! Hey, Chevre, we came back for dessert, me and Yiddi. We were hungry, we came back for dessert, and now we have Amnon serving us dessert. Amnon, what do we got for dessert?
All right, so here we got our smash burgers.
Smash burgers?
Smash burger, yeah. Our lettuce, our special blend of beef. We make our own blend of beef. We got our homemade sweet and spicy pickled chips, caramelized onions, brioche buns, freshly toasted. Here we got our burrito from our Mexican section. We have seasoned ground beef, black beans, cilantro lime rice, mango pico de gallo, and guacamole. Guacamole wrapped in a toasted tortilla. We have our hand-cut homemade French fries.
You guys make your own fries, like we said.
We make our own fries, our own seasoning. We don't play games over here.
We don't play games.
For a real dessert, to clean the palate, we have our #1 seller sesame chicken with white rice. We also offer with fried rice, but I know you guys are trying to watch your figures, so we give you white rice.
It's great, Yiddi. Ready for dessert. Dessert it is, Chevre.
Enjoy, guys.
Look at this, look at this, look at this. Wow. Yiddi, you gonna take the sandwich, the cheese, the mac and cheese.
And let me get you some sauces to...
No, you take the cheese. Yiddi, I think this place is the place to go. We have every night, man.
This is Mazonas.
Oh, Mazonas.
Mazonas.
With the sauces.
We have a homemade lemon crema, goes nicely with the
Let's go.
burrito, jalapeno if you want a little kick. Amen.
L'chaim, Chevre. Lasova.